Okay, under the house you can see the 300 litre electric element hot water tank and our gas booster. Now this has been like that for 2 weeks. We have not needed to use the gas at all because the electric charges 300 litres in only a few hours, so it doesn't need even the timer we mentioned was 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. Don't even need that. It's currently leaking right now. We need to probably get a new one of these, so I'll keep an eye on that. But when we leave, we turn the water off, so I'm not too concerned about that leak. But obviously, if you're unsure if it's hot, push it a few times and you'll feel the water. Be careful, it's going to come out bloody hot. So if you need to turn this off, or if it's not hot enough, just say you're having too many people over with too many showers, then you'll need to turn this on. So to do so, plug it in. All right, the power goes in there, and turn the gas on and turn that on. Okay, that's on, that's off, gas on, gas off. Okay, this tank here is for cooking. So if you need, if that runs out, we'll just use that as our backup to swap it over. You can go get those tanks from the Meridian store or the service station or Sun City supermarket, plenty of places. We might get a third one as a backup. Just while we're here, let's go and look at the water. All right, so this is our water filtration system. It's pretty obvious. There's 2 pipes coming up. Now all of the pipes run down from where the water tank is, sort of at the top. Right, that's also the estates water line runs down from there. There's one tap over here, which is the estates water. There's this tap here, and it's labeled, that is tank water. Right, tank. And then that there is estates water. So the reason why we have multiples is just say the estates water dies, we can turn on the tanks to charge this. It's on now, but I'm going to make sure the tank water is off when we don't need it. Okay, so the pipes then run under to here and tank water up. This is called a non-return valve, so water can only go one way, and the mains from the estates water is here. So we're going to leave the tank water off while we're here and the estates water on. And then it's going to come up to the filter box. Now that's well, the first filter here is actually a heavy particles filter, so sand and little rocks and things. To clean that off, turn the water off, take this out, and then turn the water on, and just to sort of flush it and get rid of whatever bits of sand and things we have. To change this, there is a little clip. It goes over, opens up. Vinod Patel should sell these. And it goes there, and a little bit of rope to it so we don't lose it. Once you change that fine filter, you need to push this down, and it just bleeds some of the air. You can see it sort of just pushes the air out. You'll hear it until you get water like we do now. All right, so that's all pretty straightforward. Now this last pipe here, that's going to be filling from our water tank, which is just around the front of the house. That's going to be filling the small water tank at the front of the house. It's going to pump out, and I've already laid the pipe all the way back up to the tanks. It's just not in yet. Okay, well, I'll get something else going on soon.